So one of the hardest things about being a copywriter, a blogger, a freelance writer, pretty much the hardest thing about writing anything is getting started. It's actually doing the work to inform yourself on what you need to write about, on how you need to write about it. But I've got a tool that's going to help you get past that hurdle of getting started. It's a great tool for research. It's called AnswerThePublic.com. It's a really interesting, kind of different tool, but I think you'll like it if you'll use it. So if you type it in there, AnswerThePublic.com, pull it up here, you'll see this funny looking man right here, and you can actually type in any topic and it will suggest content ideas within a matter of seconds. So I could type in digital nomad. Say I wanted to start blogging about being a digital nomad. It will actually begin to populate an idea flowchart based on that keyword. So digital nomad, how to start digital nomad, how to become a digital nomad, why become a digital nomad, what to pack, what does a digital nomad do. So it's kind of like brain mapping the possibilities when it comes to that particular topic. It's a really, really great tool for doing research, and it works for any topic that you might need to search. So say I wanted to talk about home improvement. Again, it's going to come up with hundreds of ideas that you can blog about, write about. You can even use this as inspiration if you're doing ad copy, things like that. It's kind of the questions that people are asking online when it comes to that keyword. So how to do home improvement yourself, how to home improvement books, how much is home improvement insurance, are home improvements tax deductible. So if you're needing to get started with a blog, if you're needing to get started with an article or some kind of work for your client, this is a great place to start doing your research. So loads and loads of content that will populate based on anything you put in here, and I mean anything. So we'll go back to productivity, and you can get really specific, so maybe not just productivity, but productivity apps. Say I wanted to do a blog about productivity apps. So here we go. Best productivity apps. Just multiple ideas for that keyword. So hopefully you can see how that's helpful. Hopefully you can use this for your blog, your freelance writing jobs, your copywriting jobs, and it's a great tool to get started with your research.